Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, and you can see this rally progressed into yesterday. We traded up to 25.96 and change, which is right up into 86 to 96 was going to be important. 86 was your pre-FOMC rate announcement price on December the 19th. The reaction high from that announcement that was rejected was 25.92. We overshot to 96 and they really had trouble getting through it all day long. So, you know, we hop over on the live chart here and you've had some compression and you've had a really steady move up beyond the left edge of this chart from 23.1675. So as it got up into these former resistance rejection areas, the fact that on the first time through there was going to be a struggle is not surprising. So you've got 25.92 to 25.96 resistance that has backed off into Globex and traded down, you know, as low as 60.5. The question for me is this just going to be another dip buy that's going to take us back up to retest this area, potentially get through 2600 and continue to bleed higher? Don't forget, a touch of 2600 still has us at 141 handles below the 200-day exponential moving average on the March contract. So we're still very much in bear market territory. This move from 23.1675 is the first multi-day sustainable bear market rally that we've seen. And how the bears react to that is going to be huge for the rest of this month into February, March. Are they going to make a stand at some point? And are they going to make a stand and really turn this into a bear market by taking it back down and making a lower low? Or are they going to just kind of keep laying down as they get to all these big areas? This is the next big area. 86, even up to the roundy. These 14 handles are big. So as we pull back, I meant what I said on the daily chart post, which is, look, the bears are just noise above the monthly pivot being here at 25.48.17. Pulling back 40 or 50 handles from, you know, literally a 270 handle move is not a big deal, okay? If the bulls start to lose key areas like monthly pivot, daily pivot, daily mid-band, you got the daily mid-band and the 9-day coming together right in and around 25.20, 25.21. So 48.20 and 25.02 is your weekly pivot, at least for a couple more days. If the bulls start to do that, if this 92 to 96 area, which they were not able to get through yesterday and has survived the night in Globex, survives the regular session today, then that with the news flow, which has been a little bit heavier in the last, 12 to 18 hours, if that builds, then that's going to provide an opportunity for the bears to get a little more emboldened, and feel a little bit more confident about taking these moves down and holding them down. Can they pull it off? I don't know. We're going to find out. But as we head into today, understand 86 to 2600 was well known, going to be defended resistance at least on the first time through. 48 is key on the down. You've got daily mid here in the middle and the weekly pivot here. If the bears were able to close below 48 today, I think that's a win for them. If the bulls close above 2600, that's a tremendous win for them, and I think you continue to see this grinding tape that is grinding everybody higher. My rules for bear market rallies: you can be long, you can stand aside, you can try shorts in key areas, but if those shorts don't work, you need to get out of the way. We tried a couple shorts in key areas yesterday. We did the majority of our stuff long until the close. Right now we're short 88, and we've taken a lot of profit, and we have some left. And we've just been kind of letting that work overnight. If they drop the bottom out of it and go do 48, then we're going to be pretty happy. So it was a tough tape yesterday. It's a really whippy tape. It was a tough tape to hold in either direction. They had as much for the bulls to hate about the regular session tape yesterday as they had for the bears to hate about that regular session tape. Unless you are just a spastic scalper, that tape was going to be annoying. So we'll see what they have for us today. All right, everybody have a good one. We'll be out with a bunch of stuff on social. Come check us out. We'd love to meet you. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.